The level of interest and investment in the financial technology space over the last several years has been truly amazing. Payments has been an area that's attracted a lot of attention from traditional entities such as banks and non-traditional entities such as Apple and Amazon. I think there's two key reasons for this. Managing payments is a strategically important function for businesses across finance, treasury, operations, and procurement. Because of this, businesses need to ensure that they're effectively managing their payments to capture all available revenue sources, manage their working capital effectively, and control their cost. Second, business payments traditionally have been riddled with complexity, friction, and cost. As a business grows and expands into new markets, these challenges grow exponentially. Because of this, businesses need partners and technologies to help them manage these issues. While managing payments is important to a business, it's typically not what they're in the business of doing. These businesses are focused on delivering products and services to their end customers. Because of this, banks need to provide payment solutions that allow their business customers to focus on their core operations. Banks should provide payment solutions that are seamless. These solutions should be fully integrated with their customers' banking experience and allow them to more easily adopt new payment technology. They should be simple. As business payments become more complex, customers are looking for their banks to provide them access to pre-established networks that allow them to more easily manage their overall payment process. And third, they should be secure. Fraud and data security are top of mind for most businesses, and banks should ensure that their payment solutions have integrated fraud and security technology. Whether a bank is servicing a small business customer, a government entity, or a large global corporation, it's important for them to recognize that in order to be viewed as a strategic partner to those customers, they need to have a best-in-class payment offering. Banks who have a best-in-class payment offering will be better positioned for additional services such as cash management, liquidity, and lending. Those banks that do not have strong payment offerings, though, run the risk of being disintermediated from their customer and being a strategic partner to that customer. As banks look to enhance their payment offering, it's important they recognize the complexity for their customer on identifying the best payment options, and also their customer's desire to have a seamless payment experience. Banks have an inherent connectivity to their customers and also have access to great data and insights that they can use to enhance their payment solutions. For example, banks typically sit at the forefront of the customer's payment experience. Banks provide the technology that customers use to manage their cash, accounts, and payment activity. Because of this, banks can more easily introduce their customers to new and emerging payment technology. Also, as payments become more complex, banks can use their data and insights to provide customers with analytics and machine learning capabilities that will help them more intelligently manage their payments. The rapid pace of change that we've seen in the business landscape will continue to accelerate in the future. Business payments is fundamental to almost every banking relationship, especially in a digital and more interconnected landscape. Banks have a natural advantage to be seen as a payment provider of choice, but it's important that they continue to innovate in their payment solutions. Here are a few ideas for banks to consider. First, banks should listen to their customers, but they should also seek out new payment innovations that their customers are not asking about, and also seek out innovations that might not have been applied in a business payment environment. Also, banks should think about their payment products differently. Traditionally, banks have thought about payment products in discrete payment types: card, ACH, and wire. But as they look forward, customers will be more focused on the overall payment experience, and it's important that banks can deliver a payment experience across new and existing payment rails. And also, banks should think about how they partner with financial technology companies. These companies offer the banks the ability to get to market quicker with new and innovative payment solutions.